right there and a thingy right there. I got a little bunk bed. It's a ladder to climb on for the bed. And you can see that there's a little chair for the robe to lay on. And you can see that's how cute the robe is right there. She doesn't look the same as this one, but she's still cute. I have my robe tied up like her. Like hers. And now, there's a little bag, a little face mask. The bag is called Olive Overnight Bag. Nightgown is Good Night Gown. This is Christy dressing gown, and this is Rolly sleeping bag. Sandy shed eye, Patty polish, Toasty and Roasty slipper. They're so cute because I actually really love this one because the pinkish white and the pink and the green cloud. I just love this one. I love her. I really love her. But these two are my favorites. And I love all of them actually. All of them are my favorites actually. Now I'm gonna open them. With this little thingy. Want this one? It's like so cute. Her name is Latte Bottle, and Snow One is my favorite. Which Snow One is my favorite? The pillow fell off. The pillow fell off, and this pillow fall off too. When they have pillow fights, they take off their pillows off their bed if they really want to have a pillow fight. It looks cute like this. This is how the bed comes out. Because you can see on the side of it, there's some sliders. Now I'm going to put the pillows back on the beds. This is so difficult. They're all out except for these two. This is dressy gown, and it actually looks like she has two hands because she has this hand and these hands and these hands. It actually does. Olive Overnight Bag. And you can see she has her tongue out. She's sticking her tongue out, you guys. She's so cute. She rolled off. She's not supposed to be sleeping bag. She's supposed to be the robe. So this is really a sleeping bag, and she has her tongue at you guys too. So this is really a sleeping bag, and she has her tongue sticked out to you, and so she's happy and she's laughing with her tongue out. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Bye. Go. So this is Good Night Gown, and you'll see she's yawning and her eyes are closed. She actually goes on this bed. So she's my favorite and favorite. So here's Sandy's shut-eye. So Patsy Polish is actually, I like all of them. They're all my favorites. So Some of her eyes are like cut off a little. There's her little eyelashes. What am I going to use it for? Like a popsicle? These are Toasty and Roasty slippers, and look. Hi, Toasty. Hi, Roasty. They got cute little kisses and their tongues are out. I think you're laughing. And you can actually put their dolly's feet in there because there are little sections there. They're cute. It comes with a little stool and it comes with a little bean bag chair. Bingy boonga 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 boonga. Up all cute now. I'm gonna put the chair up here. Why would there be a chair on a bunk bed? Why? Then it, leave it, I did it. Checklist. Do you have on your GiGi? You feel alive. Ready, go. I got a blind bag. So this is a blind bag, and now I'm gonna open it up for GiGi. Look at that! Itchy got a little cake. See it? Now I got the little cake. Now I got the little cake. We got a little butterfly. She got a little butterfly. I get the butterfly on my cake. Now they're friends. Look up here. FiFi and GiGi love sugar and spice. Bye. Now get the subscribe. And ring the bell. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye. I want to thank everybody for coming to our slumber party. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe. Scrumba-gumba-gamby, scrumba-gumba-gamby. But I need one more to put in here. The rope. They're my Shopkins. I put the birthday. Oh yeah, I put the birthday cake in this one. It's Christmas, guys! It's Christmas Eve! Okay. Hurry, wake up, wake up! Sleeping Bab! You want to open your presents? Hurry up! And wake up! Feels weird. Getting your sleeping bags all open. Okay, we want to see the sleeping bags.